Hello, this is Martin. I thought I'd give you a quick tip that's a little bit controversial that I'm going to tell you that I used to pay down my student loan. And that was to go to a gym. When I started paying off this loan back in 2013, my weight was about 214 pounds. And now I'm down to about 197 pounds. During 2013, my doctor told me I needed to lose some weight because I was obese and would have possible health problems. So I said, okay, let me get it done. Before I lost the weight, my food bill was about $140 a week. That was back in 2013. Now, in 2019, I've been able to get that down to about $85 to $80 a week. And that's been by joining a gym and eating healthier. I believe if you at least lose 2 to 3 pounds, this is only for you people who are overweight now. I mean, you're looking at about an extra $60 to $80 a month that you'll save in buying food that you can apply towards your loan. And if you are in shape, go to the gym anyway, because it'll make you stay healthy, because you'll see all those young people working out. So you want to keep up with them. And the only way you're going to keep up with them, stay flexible, have a healthy diet, and you're going to have to stay away from the alcohol and all the bad foods for you. Because one thing the problem you have is if you drink too much or you eat too many bad foods, you're going to be spending maybe $50 to $60 a month. We're talking about antacids and other stuff just to try to get rid of bring your body back into balance. So I'd recommend you go to a gym if you're overweight, lose some weight. That'll give you an extra $220 to pay towards your bill. And if you're in shape, go to the gym anyway, because you'll eat healthier, increase your flexibility, and people will be in awe of how you keep yourself in shape. And if you think this is a little bit controversial, if you don't think you can reduce your food bill by losing weight, let me know. Talk to you later.